In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress an MP3 file size without losing quality. This method is useful if you need to save space on your device or want to share audio files more easily. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the MP3 file we want to compress. For this example, the file size is around 4 megabytes. We're going to reduce this size while keeping the audio quality intact. To do this, we'll need to download a specific software. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Audio Compressor Download. You should see several options, but we're going to focus on the first link that appears under download.kinet.com. Click on that link and it will take you to the download page. Once you're there, look for the Download Now button and click it. The download should begin shortly and you'll need to wait a few seconds for it to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. This process should only take a minute or two. Now that the software is installed, open it. You'll see a simple interface where you can drag and drop your audio files. Go ahead and drag the MP3 file you want to compress into the software window. With the file loaded, we need to adjust the settings to ensure we compress it without losing quality. Look for the option to change the bitrate. The bitrate controls the amount of data processed per second of audio. A lower bitrate reduces file size, but going too low can affect the audio quality. For best results, set the bitrate to 128 kilobits per second. This is a good balance between file size and quality. Going below 128 kilobits per second may lead to noticeable quality loss, so it's best to avoid that. Once you've set the bitrate to 128 kilobits per second, find the Compress button in the software and click it. The compression process will start, and you'll need to wait a few seconds for it to finish. After the compression is complete, check the file size of the compressed MP3. You'll see that it's now smaller than the original, yet the audio quality remains almost the same. And that's it. You've successfully compressed your MP3 file without losing quality. This method is quick and efficient, making it perfect for anyone looking to reduce file sizes for storage or sharing.